What is up, guys? The GM man back here. We're currently in Jimmy's truck, actually. I hope you guys like that little cold start on my brother's Duramax. It's a 2004.5 LLY. We just dropped it off at Chad's, where we will be going back to today to work on the 79 and Caleb's Duramax. He's put new upper control arms and stuff on it. But right now we're heading to Seymour because I forgot some truck parts, so that's why we are in Jimmy's truck. This truck's what, an 87? It's got a 305 in it. It's a nice little truck. Needs a little bit of work here and there, but that's something we can do anytime. Got to fix the exhaust and stuff on it and fix some brake work. But other than that, that's basically going to be the video for today. Working on the 79 and hopefully getting Caleb's Duramax put together. But we are heading to town. I will pick you guys back up when we are leaving town and going back to Chad's. And yeah, so stay tuned, guys, and I will see you shortly. Peace. Okay, guys, we are back. Chad's not here right now, so it's just me and Jimmy. But so what I'm going to do is basically get these sprayed again with some blaster to loosen them up, and then hopefully we can get that fuel tank dropped. Jimmy's there; he's repping the t-shirt. So, but got all the goodies up here: air cleaner riser kit, the breather, spark plugs, the other belt, got blaster. Basically just going to try and get everything put together on this, and then we're going to try and get this brake controller in here, this old brake controller, taken out today, because I'm not going to pull anything with this truck. It's basically going to be my shop truck slash like show truck and stuff. But that's what we're going to do. Probably turn on some music. Probably going to go ahead and try and get those bolts on that belt sprayed, and then maybe in an hour or two try and get this fuel tank dropped and see how nasty it is on the inside. So for the time being, guys, just I guess sit tight and I will bring you back when we have something interesting happening. Well, guys, so we started taking that brake controller off on the inside. I got pretty much everything out here removed because this went to the brake booster here. But we started draining it and stuff, and I pumped the brakes and shot Jimmy full of brake fluid. Yeah, brake fluid. But we're still trying to get this disconnected, because how they did it is they basically like ran screws down through the panel this way into the brake controller, so it's kind of a pain in the ass to get to. But we're still working on it. Jimmy's got the straps over here sprayed on the fuel tank, so I don't know, we'll probably try those here shortly if we get on a stopping point with everything else. But so far we're moving along. I'm probably going to get some time-lapse videos of us here shortly, and then you guys will see us when we get everything done. So stay tuned. Alright, guys, we're back. Currently trying to get this brake trailer old piece of junk off. Jimmy's got the camera right now. There's quite a few wires, as you can see down here, that are in the way. That's kind of a pain in the butt, but we are slowly getting it taken off, I believe. I'm in a really awkward position right now, and yeah, but hopefully once I get these, or this last bolt off, I can drop this and then we should be good. So it should come any second now, I hope. Maybe. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Get that junk out of there. We don't need that anymore because I'm not going to haul anything with it. So now that we got that off, I'll probably move up front again. Going to pull all this junk out of the way, and then we'll see what else we can get into. So stay tuned. Okay, guys. Well, we get the spacers. The smallest one right here fits, so we're going to put that one on there. It will clear everything. As far as the fuel tank and everything goes, I'm not going to do anything with it today, because the way those straps are made is basically, if my hand is the frame, there's a hole that goes through the frame like where my thumb would be, and then there's a bolt that sticks through with a nut on it. But this one back here on this strap, you can't get a socket or anything on, and the other one is just a pain. So we're probably just going to cut these off, get rid of this tank. Chad's got one off of an 85 that's going to fit. same measurements and everything. So we'll clean that one up and then put it up here. I'll just have to buy new straps and then a new sending unit and hook everything back up. But as far as that goes, we're gonna load that 85 fuel tank up in the back of Jimmy's truck. We'll take it home with us. I still have to get the drop shackles ordered for the back of it, and then that's basically it. So that being said, I'm probably gonna end the video here. You guys seen us get that brake controller out of there, and then we just got to put a lot of small on end stuff together. You got to tighten up this header, got to put the gasket behind it. We got the right belt, but I got to get the bolts for the water pump for the fan and everything to get everything put back on. But yeah, and then I have to fix this brake line here. I got to put a new end on it so it can be screwed in, and I'm going to plug this one. So that should be fun. But other than that, that's basically it. So we're gonna head out. Remember, learning as I do, doing what I love. I'm the GM man. I will have giveaway announcements coming soon, so stay tuned for that. And that's Jimmy. That's Chad. We will see you in the next one. Peace.